Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Aislinn, back at it again with another video. So as you can see by today's title, we're doing something a little bit different. It's not a try on haul. We are doing an unboxing. So I am partnering with the brand Dose of Roses for this little unboxing. They were kind enough to send me a little package for Valentine's Day. So I'm filming this video so you guys can see what I was gifted. If you guys want to see what I got from Dose of Roses and what I think about it and yada yada yada, just keep on watching. For those of you who don't know what Dose of Roses is, it's a flower company based out of Beverly Hills, California. It's really popular. You probably see a lot of influencers with it on their Instagrams, YouTubes, etc. They're super cute products and really good quality. I actually already own something, as you can see. But yeah, so they reached out to me and wanted to send me something for a collab, so here we are. Yeah, basically I just want to unbox this on camera with you guys. So this is what it comes in, a box like this. It's not heavy, it's just pretty big. So when you open it up, it comes in a box just like this, which is super adorable. Little black top, just like that. And as you can see, sorry my ring light, as you can see the bear is inside. I'm gonna take it out. So as you guys can see, I do already own a white one, but I really wanted a red one because it's Valentine's Day, so how cute. I just think these are so adorable and really good for like decorating your house or your room or whatever, or just gifting to somebody. Basically, they're all artificial roses, so they don't get rotten, they don't start smelling weird, they just look pretty. Like, that's the one thing about me and flowers. I really am not a flower kind of girl. Like, I like flowers, don't get me wrong. What girl doesn't like getting flowers? But to me, they're just so much maintenance, and you have to water them and take care of them and trim them, and then they get all disgusting after a while. Like, you have to take care of them. It's like a pet. This you don't. Beautiful little decoration. It's so cute. I love the little detailing of the bow. It's like a Dose of Roses bow. So every single one is going to be different. So if you look at this one versus this one, it has a different gem. So this one's a heart and this one's just like an oval. And this one's strings are longer and it says Dose of Roses differently on it. I don't know. I just think it is so adorable. You can see the detailing on it up close. It's just really cute. I don't know. Look at them. They're best buds. How cute. Is this one smaller? No, they're the same size. So this bear, I don't even know how much these cost because obviously I didn't pay for it, but I'm gonna link it down. I know it is a little bit more pricey, especially if you do want to get it sent to Canada. That's where I live, so I did have to pay a duty fee on this. However, it's worth it. It's super adorable. So the best thing about this is, like, even if you don't have a Valentine to give this to, you could just get it for yourself or get it for your best friend or whatever. You know what I mean? Super cute. I love it. I think it's adorable. But yeah, so this little guy is super lightweight. Like, it's not heavy at all. You can pretty much put this anywhere and store it. I do have a discount code for you guys, and it is XO Aislinn in all caps. I'll put it in the screen. I'll also link it down below. So if you want to save 20% on your beautiful bear, or they have a bunch of other things on the website as well. You can save 20% on anything on the website. Then you can use my code. But honestly, I just think this little guy is so cute. They have them in a bunch of different colors, like red, white, black, blue, pink. Like, you name it. They're so cute. Eventually I'll probably have one in every single color, so I don't know. They're honestly adorable and a great gift because it's like giving somebody flowers but without the maintenance, you know what I mean? This is a super quick video. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Also hit that little notification bell so you don't miss my videos when they go live. That's it. That's all. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Bye guys.